To permanently delete files from Google Drive on Android and make space free, open Google Drive app. Tap on this three-dotted icon on the right side of file or folder. Select move to trash and then move to trash. Now there is one more thing you have to do. Tap on this icon here on the left side. Go to trash, and from here also tap on the three-dotted icon next to the file and then delete, and then delete forever. If you don't delete it, then it will remain in the trash bin for 30 days. Now if you are really serious about gaining more space, then again tap on this icon here. Go to storage, select clean up space. Now from here go to large photos and videos. Select any video which you don't need and then delete. Similarly, go to large drive files, select any file and then delete. Similarly, go to emails with large attachment and spam emails and delete. After that, again go back to Google Drive, tap on this icon here, trash, and then again you have to delete those files from here.